Hold up, so West Coast pickups, I tendencies in with me. I'm trying to get my rich up, talking about raising Richie, dog. I'm trying to get my rich up. Good for you, man. I give you life, I give a elixir. He said, yes, it's a whole half stick of my tennis bitch to put the donuts in the back, quick or right. Shit, I strike niggas, fight bitches, fight in a Christ. It's a crisis. Niggas hands up like it's a heist. Might get a hold up. Who you said the winner was? I bet I finished quick and hit you faster than your dinner, girl. That's why they fly and crash. I say you got a land slow. Cancer, yo, but healthy though. Raps new Rambo.
Alright, I'm Citizen Smoke here, we finna start. I got my niggas with me, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for coming out.